Hey, Miss Jill, are you ready for your slide circuit? Let's get started. So we will do 5 reps for each exercise. You're going to do a lateral slide with a drawn sword. Inhale as you go into the movement. Exhale as you pop up. Smell the roses. Blow out the candles. Yep, and we're going to make use of that peanut butter jar. Why not? This is an awesome exercise to get the inner thighs, and we also have a corrective benefit. Pulling back your left shoulder blade in a good way. Neutral position with the wrist. So now that you're acclimated with the movement, exhale, you can drop faster. Nice drop, pull through the heel so we can get the bum. Quick check-in, is everything all right? Knee?
Yeah.
Shoulder? Excellent. This is an excellent move, circuit, to reverse the negative effects of sitting and smart devices, plus it's entertaining. All right, next thing, push up and reach. I'll give you 2 options. You can do it kneeling or not kneeling. The way we decide which one is better is contingent on how low you get to the floor. If you feel your low back, wrist, elbow, or shoulder, you stop, okay?
Okay, I'll try one like this.
All right, you're the boss. Smell the roses, blow out the candles. 1, inhale. 2, rock star, thank you. 3, we care more about range of motion. 4, then egos. 5. That's still a feat of strength. Yeah, I see. You want to keep it even. Oh man, no joke. So this is a win-win exercise. You get to clean your floor as you get an awesome workout. Belly button drawn in. Very, very cool. Next thing are donkey kicks. You're going to have a low elbow plank position, knees off the floor. Say your right foot has the slide or the towel, and your opposite leg will be doing the donkey kicks. Let's just do 5. We're just doing a nice little intro. Exhale, all glutes. Looks good. Body is level to the floor. Everything feels okay, low back?
Yep.
And then after we do 5, I will have you do 5 chest flies. You may do kneeling or not kneeling. It's all contingent on how close we get to the floor and your exercise technique. You're doing really, really well.
I'll try one, but I don't know.
It's all good. I'm watching. 1, nice pull. 2, exhale. 3, 4, rock star. 5, turn and face the camera. We're just doing 5. We're just doing 5. Look at you. You're all fired up. Hey, great job. I'm glad you're invigorated. And I love that shirt, that Fitness Foundry thing. Wear with pride. Gracias.